Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we have the brand new 2024 Kia EV9, the land trim level all-wheel drive long range. Today we're going to do a review on the exterior, interior, and then we're going to take it for a quick test drive. If you're looking for an EV car, 7 seats, make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's not waste any time and go ahead and jump right into it. Press twice to open the hood. There we go. So underneath the hood there is just a little bit amount of space for you to put your laptop because it is the all-wheel drive. If you want to get the rear-wheel drive version, the space is going to be twice as deep as this one. It is powered by a 99.8 battery producing 379 horsepower. So in the front we do have this full LED day running lights, full LED headlights. The exterior design of this car is very nice. It is boxy, bulky. It is the opposite of an EV if you tell me. But they made it happen. It actually looks pretty good. I love the front end of this car. It's very nice and simple. The headlights, the day running lights is perfect. And then when we drop down here, we do have the front sensors, the front camera, and this actually opens up when the battery needs to be cooling to allow airs in to cool the battery, which is pretty cool. I love the aggressive hood. There's only 2 lines, sharp lines at the edge. It gives the car more characteristics. I love the gloss black as well. Overall, the front end of this car is fantastic. I think they've done a really great job. A quick fact, this is about the same exact size as Telluride, so it's actually really big, and it has a huge third row I'm about to show you in a little bit. Over here you have 20-inch wheels front and back. I just want to show you the size profile of this car real quick. It's a box on wheels that happens to be electric, but yeah, it still looks very futuristic. It looks more like a spaceship. Really couldn't tell if it's an EV, to be honest, until you actually approach the car and you don't see there's any exhaust. We do have some gloss black trimming on the side of the car, and we do have the door handles are actually flushed, so that's pretty nice. When you approach the car, you have the key to actually open up. Got the charger. I love the fact that the charger is actually electronic as well. So you got the regular charger and fast charger. Boom. You could close that thing too. The back design of the car is still fantastic. I love how they kept it futuristic front and back. The lights still have the futuristic alien tail lights as well. And on the back is very nice and simple. You have a tow-in hitch, which means you could tow up to 5,000 pounds. And then check out the space. Sorry about the mess, but this is what the space looked like with all of the seats down. Now let me show you what the seats look like with all the seats up. Ta-da! This is the space with all the seats up. So you still have a decent amount of trunk space. You could put a couple of bags. And then we do have an actual charger over here. You could get the seats down from here, the second row. And then over here we do have a 12V charger. Underneath we have all the tire equipment as well. On the second row we do have a big sunshade, heated and ventilated seats in the back. All right. Whoa, you see the difference between when the door open and the door closed? You feel isolated in this car. So really good amount of legroom, headroom. We have another sunroof here. AC controls is going to be right here. We have AC vents on top of our heads, which is really nice. USB-C chargers are going to be right here, cup holders, and we even have a table on the second row, a hidden storage here for snacks, and a cup holders here. But yeah, very nice and comfortable second row seats. The seats are actually very, very comfortable. The fact that are heated and ventilated in the back is so sick. This is a place where you put your phone if you want to watch some videos or iPads. So there you go. Third row. Let's go ahead and check out the third row. All right. Third row, I do have a decent amount of legroom. Actually, is very spacious. Look at that. Third row of an electric car. Yeah. We have USB-C charger, cup holders, and AC on top of the head. So the people in the back are going to be very comfortable. Let's go ahead and check out the front. Then the front is where the magic happens. We do have memory seats, heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, all the buttons for the windows. Child lock is available as well. we do have this really awesome thing. Look at that. Just want you to watch this for a quick second. So when you're charging the car, you could just wait and relax. This thing turns into a spa chair within a touch of a button. How cool is that? All right, let's go ahead and talk about the interior. Heated ventilated seats in the front as well, more speakers, and a very cool looking steering wheel. We do have the big screen, digital dash, and touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless connecting, by the way, so that is really nice. You got some hidden shortcuts here. Your volume knob is going to be right here, AC controls, and down below is just more hidden chargers. Like the 12V charger, you have to open it to see it, which is really nice. Cup holders, and then we do have wireless charger here, and we do have the fingerprint for 2 people because this one have memory seats. We have the steering wheel is actually pretty cool. I like it. This is going to be your cruise control, phone menu, and then we do have the drive mode selector over here. Sport, normal, my drive, snow. Oh, we do have another sunroof over here. We have blind spot cameras. That's very helpful when you drive, especially in Texas. And we do have a 360-degree camera as well. And as you guys can see, I could play around with the car. You have a front view, back view, and the whole view. Overall, the car has all the technology in the world that you need, and the build quality is very nice. It seems like it is a very luxurious car. The seats are really nice and comfortable, but most importantly, it is spacious. Look at that. This is a huge space. This is a minivan space, but it's an electric car. All right, you already know what's gonna happen next. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a quick test drive. By the way, this is gonna be the gear selector. Really cool. And we're gonna go see how it actually drives. This is so cool. I love the blind spot camera. It's actually very helpful. Oh yeah, this sounds like a spaceship. There's all the cool things that you could do with a electric car nowadays. This is really nice. The car is very quiet and comfortable. The steering is very nice. The car is big, but it really doesn't feel as big when you're driving it. On the back roads, the car is very smooth. But again, I'm driving in comfort, so let's try sport mode. We have a dog over there. Smooth. All right, let's do an acceleration from 0 to 60 in sport mode, and then we're gonna see how this car actually does. Oh my god. Yo, this car is so quick. This car is so quick. Oh wow. Yeah, that's one thing I really like about electric cars, is that when you hit the gas, it just goes. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That is so much fun. Alright, this car as it quit is about $72,000 MSRP. But think about it for a second. The Tesla Model X is nowhere near the space of this car, and the starting price of it is about $80,000. Same thing as the Cadillac, same thing as the what is it called, the Lucid that is coming out, is also starting price at $85,000. But this is like not the fully equipped one, which is the GT line, which is about $80,000 fully equipped. This one, as it is, about $72,000 MSRP. I think it is worth every single penny. If you're looking for an electric car that is for family and bigger than a Model X, build quality is good, and you can have a lot of fun with, whew, I would say take a look at the EV9. I think it's a great car. But yeah, this is my review on the EV9, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, the braking is nice. thank you so much for watching, and I will do more acceleration. We're gonna go. Yep, this is a really fun car, very practical and very spacious, very luxurious, very awesome. I mean, honestly, it's just super quiet to drive around the city. I think this, just the build quality feels good. It feels like a $100,000 car. So make sure to come and take a look at the EV9 if you're looking for a family car, because this car is fantastic. Yep, this is my review on the EV9, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like these, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much, and peace out.